How to fix the issue with Amex application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with American Express application not working. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, you need to head towards Google Play Store or Apple Store if you're an iOS device. After that, search for Amex application, and if you see the option of update, do update the application. After the application has been updated, you need to head towards the settings section. So for that, tap and hold on the app icon of Amex application and click on App Info. Then after you will be directed to the setting page where you need to choose the option of storage. Simply click on it and then click on Clear Cache. Once you have cleared the cache for Amex application, you will see that the application will run smoothly now, as sometimes collected cache can affect its performance. Now, after following all this step, if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to reinstall the application. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Amex application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.